Hi friends, in this video, I'll give you a review of the 6 best folding electric bikes. And before exploring the shopping links in the description below, please watch the entire video. Let's get started. Fiido M1 Pro Fat Tire Electric Bike. The M1 Pro has a top speed of 40 km per hour and a powerful 500-watt engine with a broad-range 7-speed derailleur. You may effortlessly navigate the forest, sand, rocky beach, puddles, and other difficult terrains with the aid of this bike. The shock absorber in the complete suspension removes all jolts. A full charge only takes 9 hours to complete. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and keep supporting. Next, Fiido D3 Pro Mini Electric Bike. Want to breeze up that irritating incline and get to work or school without breaking a sweat? However, you are new to e-bikes and are just getting started. With the D3 Pro, the best value e-bike under $600, you can have your cake and eat it. The D3 Pro, which comes in one size that fits everybody, has a step-through frame and a dropper seat post for riders with 155 centimeters to 200 centimeters of height. Legs spread straight, almost anybody can get on it. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shopping. Next, Fiido D11 Folding Electric Bike for Commuter. The distinctive aesthetics that Fiido gives the D11 electric bicycle truly achieve the ideal harmony between form and function. Despite being so small, the battery can still travel 100 kilometers in electric moped mode since it is hidden under the seat tube. Additionally, since the battery is replaceable, you can always power it up wherever you are. Next, Fiido L3 Long Range Electric Bike. Have you ever been irritated while you were preparing for a long day's ride and worried that your e-bike would break down? Presenting Fiido L3, the enduring version. With a staggering 200 kilometers of range with pedal assistance and 128 kilometers with throttle, you may travel with total peace of mind. The L3 is a one-size-fits-all e-bike that is compatible with heights ranging from 155 centimeters to 200 centimeters, thanks to its adjustable seat post. With a few easy seat adjustments, almost anyone can attain optimal riding position. Check the link in the description below for detailed information and shopping. Next, Fiido X Folding Electric Bike. Have you ever felt the need to ride without stress? The solution is the Fiido X. Fiido X is an eye-catcher with a minimalist look that powers your climb silently while taking you around the streets in style. The ideal travel companion for short excursions and daily commuting. The ride may be used right away after being unboxed because of its simple construction, which just requires the pedals to be screwed in. Thanks for watching.